In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Booking.com wallet credit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check your balance, make a booking, apply your credit at checkout, and pay any remaining amount smoothly. First, start by checking your wallet balance. Log into your Booking.com account on the app or website, then go to your account area and open Wallet or Credits. Here you'll see your available balance, often shown by currency and sometimes with an expiration date. Take a moment to review any notes or terms listed there because some credits have specific rules or limited validity. If you use multiple currencies, pay attention to which one the credit is in, as the system may convert it automatically at checkout. Next, book a property as you normally would. Search for your hotel or stay, choose the dates and number of guests, and select a room that fits your needs. Before you click Reserve or Book Now, glance at the payment policy on the property page. Wallet credit generally applies when Booking.com processes the payment, but some stays are paid directly at the property. That's okay. Just be aware that your ability to use wallet credit depends on how the payment is handled for that particular booking. Now, apply your wallet credit on the payment page. Look for a section labeled Wallet Credit, Gift Card, or Promo Credit. If your credit is eligible for this booking, you'll see an option to use it. Tick Use Credit, and the system will automatically deduct the available amount from your total. If your credit covers the full cost, you can complete the booking without another payment method. If it only covers part of the total, you'll see the new reduced balance right away. If you don't see the wallet option, make sure you're still logged in, your credit hasn't expired, and the selected rate allows wallet credit to be applied. Finally, pay the remaining balance. Choose your payment method. Typically a card for online payments or cash at the property if that's allowed for your reservation. Follow the prompts to complete the booking and keep an eye out for the confirmation page and email. Afterward, your wallet balance will update to reflect the amount used. If you change or cancel the booking, any credit returned will follow the property's cancellation policy and the wallet's rules. So always review those details in your confirmation. That's it. Check your balance, book your stay, apply your credit, and pay the remainder. Enjoy your trip and make the most of your wallet credit.